I am prophesying to Audiotrophers around the globe.
Ninatabiria maadioterefe wote katika
Either you are in United States or you in Kenya, wherever you are.
Pengine uko United States ama uko Kenya.
If you don't turn from your wicked ways, you die.
Kama utageukia njia zako potofu utakufa.
Stop finding the men of God.
Wacha kupiga wachungaji wa Mungu.
Lest shall you die.
Ama utakufa.
Don't.
Wacha.
Touch not my anointed.
Usiguze mpako mafuta wangu.
Touch not.
Usiguze
my prophet.
Manabii.
Touch not.
Usiguze.
Don't.
Usiguze.
You don't know the price they pay. Before they became.
Kabla wakuwe hivyo.
Jesus said, one day there came a point when Jesus wanted to go back to the Father. And Thomas was asking Jesus, Jesus, we don't know the way. Jesus said, I'm the way, the truth, and the life. I am the way, the truth, and the life. Jesus never said that I am the way maker, but he said I am the way. Anybody who wants to walk must use him. Anybody who wants to reach the destiny must use Jesus. Anybody who wants to live and eat and drink well must use Jesus. The prophet, Jesus is the way.